National symbols of India. National flag, Tiranga. National bird, peacock. National fruit, mango. National animal, Royal Bengal tiger. National flower, lotus. National tree, banyan tree. National river, the Ganga. National aquatic animal, river dolphin. National emblem, lion capital. National currency, Indian rupee. National heritage animal, Indian elephant. National game, hockey. National anthem, Jana Gana Mana. National song, Vande Mataram. National reptile, king cobra. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.